So we're at Kentucky Splash Park in Williamsburg, Kentucky. And really cool area. Been a hot day. We've been here for several hours already. And all the crowds from the splash park have actually left already. But I wanted to show you that we're so close to like everything, yet you don't feel like you are. And it's pretty cool that way. So you just come in from this angle. So the road comes in there. The campground is really small. There's only 18 full site hookups though. We're tucked in over there in that corner behind that area. We've got Abby and Jamie and Mary and Jackson playing on the playground already. And then there's a couple of more sites over here. The little cabin area there, that's a bathhouse. You have to have a code to get in it, so it's not like a free-for-all, which is kind of cool because I think it really does get really busy here during the day. Over there in the distance, you can probably see that's the actual interstate. So we're like right off the interstate. And then there is the actual parking lot and splash park. It's got a big wave pool, lazy river, lots of slides, kiddie area, cabanas to rent. There's a mini golf somewhere. I haven't found that yet, but I will show you that when I find it. And then right behind the campground, over that hill, is there's a Walmart. There's a Taco Bell. We're actually getting Domino's pizza delivered tonight. So it'll be the first time that we're kind of out camping, yet not really stressing about anything, and we've ordered pizza. Pretty cool. So the boys are over there having a cornhole tournament right now. And the heat finally went away, so it's just going to be a beautiful evening. So catch you in a little while. Bye. Visitor Center. Cumberland Falls Moonbow. The moonbow that appears here is the only one in the Western Hemisphere. It may be observed under a full moon and a clear sky. The arch of white light is usually produced at the base of the falls, continues downstream, generating generations of people have visited here to see this natural phenomenon. Last hotel on this site, Moonbow Inn, was named for the Moonbow. Love it!
The elusive Becky. Don't do it. Don't do it. It says no swimming. Or waiting. No. She's a rebel. She's going in. Such a rebel. We're at the water park. Ryan's so happy. Packed. Pretty packed.
Look at the nasty water. I don't want to sit in that.
Me and Abby are gonna go. We're going down the Aqua Twist. Slippy slide. View up here. So we had a little storm going out to check the creek after the rain that we were actually staying in yesterday. So. crawdads, and I think we got pictures of that. So the creek came up 3 or 4 feet probably. Just that rain we had a minute ago.